Hi cuties, good morning to all. In Today we are going to see bookwork in maths. Okay, still page number 4 you have done already. Okay, from page number 5 we can do it now. Okay, all take your bookmark. See in your book page number 5. Okay, they have given thumb impression. Okay, in your thumb, no, you know which is thumb finger, no. Okay, in thumb finger you have to put some ink pad will be, otherwise you can take ink and see now the tree is in what shape? By seeing itself, it's in triangle shape. So in the triangle they have given the thumb finger. See next one, it is in rectangle shape. Okay, so in rectangle, you know which is rectangle box? No, that box two sides will be long. Okay, that box you have to keep your thumb finger. See down as the chocolate is there, no. See that is square shape. Okay, Kerala mithai, that is groundnut chocolate, it is square shape. So in that square means all side equal, like box it will be. There you have to keep thumb finger. Then 2 rupees coin is in round shape, so in round shape you have to keep thumb finger. Okay, see my next page number 6. See actually we don't have the book. Okay, otherwise we will be doing the bookwork and showing to you, but now what is one difficult is just we can explain it. You have to do your bookwork, ma. See they have joined the dots and they have made one triangle shape. Okay, same like that you can do what all the shapes you can do in this dot: rectangle, triangle, square, wherever you can do it. Okay, you don't know rectangle means two opposite sides are equal. Okay, that only rectangle. Square means four side also will be equal. See triangle they have given already. Okay, you can fill this, there dot is there, no, by touching the dot you can make it. Okay ma. Then see page number 7. See there they have given circle, rectangle, triangle, okay, square. So you have to count, color it first. All take your color pencil. See now you are taking red color. Okay, for circle. Round is there, no, that only circle. Then how many circle is there? See 1 2 3 4 circle is there. Okay, that 4 also you have to put only red color. Circle all red color. Then triangle. Now for triangle if you take blue color, no, all triangle, you know where small also triangle is there, that all you have to put only blue color, like that. Okay, then you have to count and write how many square is there, how many circle is there, how many triangle is there, how many rectangle is there. Okay, then see ma, all take page number 9. Now we are going to learn about lines. Okay, there are different types of lines. See sleeping line. Okay, what is that? Sleeping line is called horizontal. Okay, sleeping line. See they have given first in carom board, board all that line top, that edges is there, no, that only sleeping. It's like sleeping, no, bed all will be in like that only, no, that only sleeping. Okay, that is horizontal. Then a standing line. Standing line, bureau all will be height like this only. Okay, straightly only will be. So that standing all is there, no, standing all will be vertical line. Okay, then house, that anybody that all will be slanting, no, two side also, like how you are writing a, like that slanting, no, that all will be slanting line. Okay, 3 lines we have learned. What are the lines? Horizontal, vertical, slanting. Sleeping line is horizontal. Okay, standing line is vertical. Then slanting, like a slanting, cross lines are called slanting line. Okay, okay ma. So 3 lines: horizontal, vertical, slanting. Okay, next see in page number 10. What they are given? See they itself given the color: green color, red color and blue color. First horizontal line means sleeping. See like sleeping, they are, you will sleep like this only, no, by standing you will sleep, or no, by lying only. So sleeping line. Okay, for that sleeping line all you have to color green color. Okay, then standing line. Okay, that all you have to color red color. Then slanting. See eyes is slanting, no, both that one in the inside that box, like they have given. See slanting. X is there, no, that all you have to put blue color line. Okay, in leg also see only one slanting line is there, that all you have to give blue color. Okay ma, this is your book work. You have to do and send photo to ma'am. Okay, then see page number 11, lines in the alphabet. See for example they have given A, E, M. Okay. For A, see how many sleeping line is there? Center, only one sleeping line is there. So only one. Straight line is there in the alphabet A? No, the straight line is not there. So 0. Next see slanting line. Okay. How many slanting line is there? 2. Cross lines is there? No, that is 2. See for E, you have to write. Okay. Sleeping line 1, 2, 3 lines is there. How many lines is there? Sleeping lines 3 lines. Okay. Then standing. Okay, standing line is 1. Sliding line is 0, nothing. Then for E, what you have to write? 3, 1, 0. Okay, 3, 1, 0. Next alphabet M. In M, sleeping line is not there, 0. Standing line is 2. Okay. Then slanting line is 2. That center 2 is slanting only, not 2. Then 0, 2, 2. Okay. What you have to do? 0, 2, 2. Draw the pictures of your own using horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. One is done for you. See down they have given, you can use slanting, horizontal, everything, and you can draw something like what bed, a house. Okay. If you see a house also, there will be center, sleeping line, then slanting line, everything will be okay. Like that, by using every lines you can draw whatever you want the picture. You can draw boat, whatever it is. Okay. Today we are going to see only book work, ma. So Monisha ma'am is absent for 1 month. She not completed the book work, no. So exam is going to come soon. You have to finish the book work. Okay. So we are going to do after this fully book work only. Okay, ma. Okay. Today class is over. We have seen the 6 pages, 2 topics we have seen. Okay. So ma'am will see you next class. Thank you.